These are the eggs, guys, I bought from the store. And these are our chickens. Chicken eggs. And this, I bought this. These are Rhode Islands too. Let's see which one egg yolk is darker. And guys, uunahin ko ito. Itong egg namin at saka ito yung binili. So, ayan guys, ito yung itlog. Mukhang hindi siya, hindi masyadong dark. Tapos ito naman yung takto na binili. Okay, bakit ganyan ang kulay? What's the difference? Stephanie's first time riding the fiber boat. We're going to get her shoes from the shoes mart. Stephanie also hungry, oh. Our first jeepney ride here. Manang over there. Stephanie over here. Ayan, oh. She wanna ride tricycle. Ay, Manang at the back. Manang. Let's see. Eat the chicken. Laid some eggs. Hi! There's 3 of them over there. What you guys doing? Ay, there's egg nang, oh. There's 2 over here. And I'm not showing the other side. Diyan buksan ito dito kung adlaw, no? Yeah. Yeah, bintana.
Parang ang pan maano, no? Bisan ang medyo
Oo,
siguro.
makasunaw. Daan may hirig. Oh, hindi dyan. Ang dyan, oh. So, there's 2 eggs. Duha lang pangit to.
Tiday magmara.
Ah, pwede man.
Tiday ho.
Ayan guys, we bought them chickens laying crumble instead of ha? Para lang sa sulugan.
Medyo siguro ganon. Yang may kwatadaan.
So now they seem to be hungry and we changed them feed into laying. Ano tawag na laying crumble?
Pellets.
Hindi na pellets, ah?
Hindi ang pellets ang ginuol mo.
Crumble, why isn't that pellets?
Ang pellets, ang pala ko bilog-bilog sa paano.
Na ay paka nami siguro ipakabit ang tubig danang hay nagahigko no. Okay, go. Slowly. Don't scare her. Yeah. Yeah, now pick. Naka-mango float nang wala sa oras dahil may overripe mango. Ayan guys, it's March 24th today. February 24th. It's almost March and it's rain and it's the second day of the girls' exam. And ayan, I'm so glad Manang. We have Manang. She went out and grabbed the girls. Eloise is done, but I don't know the other 2 girls if they're done yet. But yeah, here's the rain. 5 more, but it's only 4 hens because they thought we are going to get a rooster. But since we already have a rooster, I said no, we don't need no more rooster. So we just added 4 hens to the flock. Is that called flock? Yeah. And guys, get some okra. Okra are growing. Side shoots. Those are side shoots. And we got more in here. Ayan, bell peppers are done. And my tomatoes. That's it. And jalapeno. That's Lola.
The back.
Bina.
Oh, ang screen dito sa ito.
Sa diin.
Ito. Kung amutin ito, kananta. Kaya, kayuhon pa ang
Don't drop them in the water.
ang screen to lubo.
Diyan sa likod?
Oh.
Tingin pataas man ito nagiging.
Hindi ako may... Well, what's the route wife here?
No. Right here inside the cage. Inside the coop.
Can I unwrap it?
Yeah, open it. How?
Put the tape on the box.
It's fine. Okay, that's it. You don't have to get. See? Mas drag call tala dyan ang namin. Ang datsura ng ng tabla ng.
Get out!
Ay, kinamit tayo nakaitsura.
Diba? Drag call pa.
Uy!
Nag-itlog duran ng kay na.
Pick it up!
Namit na na.
Oo.
Ay, garing. Ayaw, kumpol. Ang tiil.
Ay, isa ka tiin.
Ang isa nakakuko. Oh, dan tawa pala. Ang good na no?
Ang tawon itsura ng datanda dyan. Tanang ginbakal ka to. Ano, gagmay pang iya.
Can I pick them up?
Amo gito tanang Rhode Island, yes. Bata pa tanaran tanda. Pick it up.
Ang ara tala.
Pick it up, Mom.
Di nang isa na. Crack corn kuno kag pigeon gin patuka na karakananda.
Pigeon pilit.
Guro. Ano rang pigeon tanahaw para sa pigeon.
May pigeon pilit. May pigeon.
Yeah, get out, get out.
Okay, get it out. Aha, nagtabla na tsura ha.
Gani lang tanang itsura.
Drag call
Diyan
tanda.
tanang daw. May sabol dyan tanang. Ano lang to. Wala mga malapsi pa tanang.
Kapsi no.
Oo, lapsi sa tanda. May pangatuya ka na lang nagtuya.
Di apat lang rang gani. Ang
Barato.
Aba!
Ay, kita na itsura ng daw. Tapos diyang anak ka na nga dyan. Malam na niya.
Mom, there's a
egg.
chicken in there.
It's fine. Let it be. Nami panda tsura no. Pula-pula.
Pula sa iya. Oh.
Anda ta na maskin anda padong ta na ho. Hampan ni Steve, ang naunot karan buhok na maskin sa kupa daa. Hindi ran mangitlog hasta nga hindi magtubo liwat ang ano na kuno
Ang bulbol.
ang bulbul Nami anda tsura maskin dya gani lapsi ana padong no.
Ang isa itsura na gid iyang diri niya. Malapsi. Ika naman namin tama ka itsura. Sakat yan pa pangakas. Nagsaka ka. Tapos babaw mo.
Wala pa sa nakupahan kasulog no. Gapang ano para goro.
Uran, abi.
Ha?
Uran-uran daw ng panahon.
Ramigan sanda. Oh, so this is new.
3.
One each. How about on the other side?
No.
Did pareho lang na nga ano ang nangitlog na? Hey, the door is open. The chickens are fighting. Ma'am, bal nga ako giung na lagyutin mo to man na. Mana pangayaw kapag gani? Ano ay hangin awayan da?
Gawayan kasi doon.
Di nang sulog ka sa sulod? Nag-away sa sulog. Why man itong sulog na? Sa sulod? Ate, mo ito kinawayan da. Ayan guys, oh. Yung bell pepper galing sa garden. Lagay natin sa pasta. And ito ay ano ba tawag dyan? Basil, onion, garlic, and meron tayong olives. And ito yung gagamitin nating sauce. And I have ito yung paglisaan natin. And I have a meatballs that I made from scratch earlier. Huh? Let's see. Everybody's there. Can you count?
1, 2. 1, 2.
Good. Nobody's down there.
Why they sleep up there?
Hanging. Yeah. They are, how you call this? They are safer up there. 11 of them there?
Why?
Wow, the other eye. This. Pechay transplanted.
Ginano mo na, ginreplant mo na na.
Oh, dyan nagalin no, sa may ano, from ano,
Ginano mo
puno.
na, masama gina kaikit da.
Ha? Madragkol. Ilan tawon ta ko ano ka dragkol, pwede maran transplant diba? Tikan unta lang ka na baby pechay. Baby pechay lang sa dason. Sa dason nga ano. Or amat-amaton bala nang di ba? Kung magpwede ron mga dragkol ron ano gani, i-thin kumbaga para ang iban ma dragkol pa sa dason si mama, na?
Oh.
Abaw. Grabe nga plano ba? Ay tamaan ka ano.
Oo, dapat
Daikit.
mag-ikuan.
You know, Eloise eating, what's this bilopoy na baringon and kamatis with onions and rice. Si Eloise pa.